Welcome to the Sales and Marketing Training Program at the beginner level. Here, you'll dive into the fundamental concepts of sales and marketing, understanding their differences and roles. Sales involves directly selling a product or service to customers, while marketing focuses on promoting and positioning products to attract potential buyers. For instance, consider a social media ad promoting a new smartphone as marketing, versus a sales representative assisting a customer in store as sales. Understanding customer needs is crucial for any business. Empathy and listening are essential skills for identifying customer problems effectively. Asking the right questions helps uncover true needs and tailor suitable solutions. For example, if a customer is seeking a budget-friendly laptop for online classes, instead of pushing the most expensive model, recommend an affordable option that meets their requirements. The sales funnel is a vital concept in marketing, illustrating the journey a customer takes from awareness to action. It begins with awareness, where a customer sees an ad or promotion. Interest follows, as they click to learn more about the product. Decision is the stage where they compare options before buying, and finally, action is when they make the purchase. Marketing channels are the pathways through which businesses reach their customers. Digital marketing includes SEO, social media, and email marketing, while offline marketing involves flyers, events, and TV ads. For example, a local bakery might use both Facebook ads and free samples in malls to attract customers. Building a strong value proposition is about clearly communicating why your product is worth buying. Focus on benefits to explain why your product is valuable, and highlight its uniqueness. For example, instead of saying, "Our phone has 128 GB storage," say, "You'll never run out of space for your memories." Sales techniques and closing skills are essential for successful selling. Consultative selling involves understanding and solving customer problems. Upselling and cross-selling offer additional or better products, while handling objections is crucial for asking for the sale. For example, "Would you like a screen protector with your phone?" is a simple upsell. Customer Relationship Management, or CRM, is about managing customer data and interactions efficiently. CRM tools help streamline this process, while follow-ups are essential for building trust and retention. For example, sending a thank you email after a purchase or offering a birthday discount can enhance customer relationships. Branding and positioning are key to establishing a strong market presence. Brand elements like logos, slogans, and personality define your brand, while consistent messaging across all marketing channels reinforces it. For example, Nike's "Just Do It" slogan inspires motivation and consistency in branding. Measuring success through KPIs and metrics is crucial for understanding marketing and sales effectiveness. Conversion rate, ROI, and customer lifetime value are key metrics. For example, if 1,000 people click on your ad and 100 buy, that's a 10% conversion rate, indicating the effectiveness of your campaign. Real-life scenarios and role-plays are excellent for honing sales skills. Handling difficult customers requires empathy and problem-solving, while explaining benefits clearly communicates product value. Responding to objections addresses concerns like price effectively. For instance, in a role-play, a customer might say, "I'm not sure I need this right now," and the trainer could respond, "That's fair. May I ask what's holding you back? Perhaps I can help clarify how it might meet your current needs."